Hi students, today we are going to talk about el participio pasado. The past participle functions or works as an adjective. However, el participio pasado not always works as an adjective. We're going to study today the past participle as an adjective, okay? Let's look at these sentences. Tenemos un programa antivirus instalado en la computadora. Los documentos están archivados en la memoria USB. Las luces encendidas nos hacen sentir seguros. Instalado es un adjetivo y describe el programa antivirus. Archivados es un adjetivo que describe los documentos y encendidas es un adjetivo que describe las luces. How do we form the past participle, el participio pasado? Okay, what we do is we take a verb, okay, and we get rid of the ending, and we add a certain particle. For example, the verbs that end in AR, like borrar, hablar, you simply get rid of ar and add ado, okay? Borrado, hablado, cantado. Okay, verbos que terminan en ER y en IR, verbs that end in ER or IR. You get rid of the ending of the infinitive and you add ido, okay? Servir, servido. Encender, encendido. Okay, let's see this example. We have the verb guardar. We get rid of ar and we add ado. Guardado, grabado, instalado. So if you look at all these verbs that end in ar, like archivar, borrar, procesar, calcular, how do you form the past participle, el participio pasado? Well, you get rid of ar and you add ado. Archivar, archivado. Borrar, borrado. Procesar, procesado. Calcular, calculado. Escuchar, escuchado. Programar, programado. Apagar, apagado. Now, if the verb ends in er, or ir, okay, you get rid of the ending of the infinitive, er or ir, and you add ido, encendido, servido, vivido. Okay, and here you can see a lot of examples. Repetir, repetido. Imprimir, imprimido. Subir, subido. Entender, entendido. Sorprender, sorprendido. Transferir, transferido. I recommend to all of you that you go to your book and you go and study and memorize and familiarize yourself with the following past participles because they are irregular. They are completely different. They don't follow a rule like abrir, abierto, cubrir, cubierto, decir, dicho, descubrir, descubierto. So you see, they don't follow the same rules. They are irregulars. Okay, let's look at these illustrations, okay, that describe an object, a noun, using a past participle. La pantalla rota. El libro abierto. La flor muerta. Okay, and remember, and this is very important, when you are using a past participle as an adjective, they agree both in number and in gender with the noun they are describing. So if you're talking about la pantalla, rota is la pantalla rota because la pantalla is feminine and is singular. So remember, adjectives always agree in number and gender with the noun they describe. Let's look at these examples. La puerta abierta, pero el libro abierto. First one, la puerta is feminine, so the adjective ends in a, abierta. The second one is masculine, el libro. So the adjective is abierto, it ends in o. Okay, la computadora rota, pero los auriculares rotos. La computadora is feminine and is singular. Los auriculares, okay, they are plural and they're masculine, so they are described as rotos, okay? Rota, rotos.